Hello watercolor friends. Today we are going to paint a crazy landscape. Let's start, okay? On my spatula I squeeze dabs of red, yellow ochre, blue and indigo. Scrape the colors across the damp watercolor paper. I use Arches cold press 100% cotton. Instead of using a spatula, you can also cut up an old credit card. It's a little bit more flexible and you can shape it the way you want it. As long as the paint is still wet, it's easy to add more colors. Now let's spray some water and tilt the painting to see where it runs. I'm going to lighten the sky by scribbling over the dark areas. Blending the white lines with clear water.